Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if there's one thing that I can't stand is when my cold drink gets warm. Well, YETI has solved the problem yet again with their Slim Can Cooler.
I've had this for years and it has literally never let me down. It is the 12-ounce Cloister Slim. It is under the Rambler family and I have mine in the ice pink. I am obsessed with this thing. I think I use it almost daily. I love to drink Red Bulls and spiked seltzers, and we all know how pricey those things are and how upsetting it is when they get warm because they just don't taste good anymore. So I love using this Rambler all the time. I pop a Red Bull in here, throw it in my purse because it is so secure, and I am out the door for work. I absolutely could not live without this. I think it is super, super high quality. And I also love how it is dishwasher safe because your girl is lazy and I love being able to just pop it in the dishwasher.
So if you're anything like me and you want to keep your drink cold, you need to get this Slim Can Cooler from YETI. I cannot recommend it more highly, and that's my point of view.